Jai Sriman Oh Sita, now you should not be missing Ayodhya at all, because you can definitely think all the animals and all the entities over here is like our Ayodhya people. You can definitely think that this Chitrakutam itself is our Ayodhya. You start feeling that this Ganga Nadi is our Sarayu Nadi. Like that, let us make home here and let us be happy. You know what, Sita? I am very happy because you are always good to me. And you are always very much favorable to me. And also, Lakshmana never goes against me. With both of you, I am feeling very happy, and I can definitely take 3 times dip in this Ganga Nadi and enjoy eating all the fruits and herbs over here and honeys over here, and I don't really remember Ayodhya. I don't care that kingdom at all now. Oh Sita, like this, nasosti yasya tagataklamasukhi. Not only me, take anyone, the moment they get to see this Ganga Nadi, the moment they get to take a dip in this Ganga Nadi, on this earth, who would not get peace of mind, Sita? That is what I am also getting now. This is all because the power of the effulgence of great river Ganga, sacred river Ganga. Like this, Ramachandra Swami is conversing with Sitamma very formally. Bahusangatam vachaha Ramo iti varamo. Bahusangatam vachaha. Like this, Ramachandra Swami having a nice relaxed conversation with Sitamma and going here and there on Chitrakutam, and finally they sat at one place. At that time, there comes a big sound. Where from that sound is coming? Bharata along with his army, they are approaching almost close to that Chitrakutam. That is why that kind of a big sound is coming to Sita Ramachandra Swami. Sita Ramachandra Swami, both of them on that Chitrakutam, they were sitting at one place. Rama heard such a big sound because of Bharata and entire Sainyam coming towards that place. Because of that, all the animals started going here and there with so much of fear. At that time, after seeing all that, Ramachandra Swami asking Lakshmana, please look at that. What is that sound? Why that sound is coming? Whether anybody or any king is coming to hunt here for hunting, or any wild animals are chasing other animals. Come on, look at that and let me know. Like that, when Rama asked, Lakshmana got up into, he climbed a big tree. Salam aruhya pushpitam. He climbed up a tree, and from there, Purvam disam udaikshata. He has seen towards east side, but he did not see anything in east side. Then Lakshmana is now looking at Udangmukha Prekshamano. He is now looking at northern side. There Lakshmana noticed huge Sainyam, huge armies coming, all chariots, horses, elephants, so much big armies coming. From there itself, from the tree itself, Lakshmana is alerting Rama, saying that, oh Rama, there is some army coming towards this side. Agnim samsamayat. immediately put off that fire. Because of that fire, there comes smoke. When there is a smoke, those enemies, definitely that army must be enemies. So those enemies can notice that we are here. So they can come and trace the place. That is why put off that fire immediately. Ho Rama, Sita cha bhajatam guham. Immediately send Sita into that den. While meditating upon Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami, let us sing the glory of Sri Sita Ramachandra Swami. Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, Rama Rama Dasaratha Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Raja Rama, He He Sita Rama, He He Sita Rama. Jai Sriman Narayana. A special request to all devotees. In all things in our life, we want immediate and effective results. To achieve this, let us spend 1 minute daily and read Narayanastram. In order to obtain Narayanastram, go to Narayanastram website, which is www.narayanastram.org and provide your name and email in the registration. You will receive a Narayanastram PDF to the email you provided. In the PDF, there is a Ramayana sloka, a Gita sloka and a Vishnu Namam. The three of these put together is called Narayanastram. Everyone receives a different combination of these slokas. When everyone reads to their Narayanastram daily, along with 24,000 devotees, one round of Sampurna Ramayana Parayana, 33 rounds of Srimad Bhagavad Gita Parayana, 24 rounds of Sri Vishnu Sahasranama Stotra Parayana is completed every day. This is such a remarkable and extraordinary outcome that comes out of doing this every single day. That's why you and your family members immediately go and obtain your Narayanastram. Jai Sriman Narayana. As an essence of entire Bhagavad Gita in 18th chapter from 65th to 69th sloka, Sri Krishna Paramatma strongly recommending all of us to do 8 things. Krishna Paramatma saying that if we do those 8 things, we will become His most beloved devotees and then He will liberate all of us from all kind of sins. That is why every day let us respond back to Sri Krishna Paramatma like this. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on thinking about you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall become your devotee. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on performing all my activities as your service. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering the fact that I am your belonging and I shall keep doing namaskaram to you. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall surrender to you alone unconditionally. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall not grieve anymore. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on remembering your teachings every day by reading at least one Gita sloka. O Sriman Narayana, as you said, I shall keep on spreading Srimad Bhagavad Gita among all the devotees. O Sriman Narayana, I shall do as you say. I shall behave as you like. I shall keep on working for you. Karishye vachanam tava. Sarvam Shri Krishnarpanamastu. Jai Sriman Narayana.